Have you ever wondered why some Shopify stores are pulling in six figures while others struggle to make their first sale? The secret isn't better products or flashier websites. It's something far more powerful that most beginners completely overlook. Today I'm going to reveal how artificial intelligence is creating an unfair advantage for smart entrepreneurs, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to transform your struggling store into a profit-generating machine using AI tools that most people don't even know exist. My name is Alex, and over the past 3 years, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs scale their online businesses. What I'm about to share with you today represents the biggest shift in e-commerce since the invention of online shopping itself. We're living through an AI revolution that's happening right now, and the entrepreneurs who embrace these tools today will dominate their markets tomorrow. Let me start with a shocking statistic that will blow your mind. According to recent industry data, stores using AI-powered optimization are seeing conversion rate increases of up to 300% compared to traditional methods. That's not a typo. 300%! And here's the kicker, most of these tools are either free or cost less than your monthly coffee budget. But here's what nobody talks about. While everyone's focused on the shiny new AI chatbots and image generators, the real money is being made by entrepreneurs who understand how to integrate multiple AI systems into their entire business workflow. They're not just using one tool, they're creating an interconnected ecosystem that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, generating sales while they sleep. Think about this for a moment. Right now, as you're watching this video, there are AI systems analyzing millions of data points, identifying trending products before they go viral, writing compelling product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers, and optimizing ad campaigns in real time. The question isn't whether AI will change e-commerce, it already has. The question is whether you'll be ahead of the curve or left behind. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, Alex, this sounds complicated. I'm just starting out. I don't have a computer science degree. And that's exactly why I created this video. Everything I'm about to show you requires zero coding experience, zero technical background, and most importantly, zero massive budget. These are tools designed for regular people who want extraordinary results. Let's dive into the first game-changing category, product research and validation. This is where 90% of new entrepreneurs fail, and it's also where AI gives you the most unfair advantage. Traditional product research involves hours of manual searching, guessing what might sell, and hoping for the best. AI has completely flipped this process on its head. The first tool that's revolutionizing product discovery analyzes social media trends, search patterns, and consumer behavior across millions of data points to identify products that are about to explode in popularity. Instead of being reactive and jumping on trends after everyone else, you can be proactive and position yourself ahead of the curve. This tool doesn't just show you what's trending now, it predicts what will be trending next month. But here's where it gets really interesting. The same AI system can analyze your competitors' best performing products and reverse engineer their success patterns. It looks at everything from pricing strategies to customer reviews, identifying exactly what makes certain products winners and others complete failures. This eliminates the guesswork that destroys most beginner stores. The second category that's being transformed is content creation, and this is where things get really exciting. Creating compelling product descriptions, engaging social media posts, and persuasive ad copy used to require hiring expensive copywriters or spending countless hours learning the craft yourself. AI has made this entire process instant and accessible to everyone. Modern AI writing tools don't just generate generic text, they create content specifically optimized for your target audience, incorporating psychological triggers that drive purchasing decisions. These systems understand buyer psychology better than most human copywriters because they've analyzed millions of successful sales pages and identified the patterns that consistently convert. But the real magic happens when you combine multiple AI content tools together. You can generate product descriptions that highlight the exact benefits your customers care about most, create social media posts that build desire and urgency, and craft email sequences that nurture leads into loyal customers. All of this happens in minutes, not hours or days. Visual content creation has been completely revolutionized as well. You no longer need expensive photographers or graphic designers to create stunning product images and marketing materials. AI image generators can create professional quality visuals that would have cost thousands of dollars just 2 years ago. These aren't generic stock photos, these are custom creations tailored specifically for your brand and products. The third transformation is happening in customer service and engagement. Traditional customer service requires hiring staff, training them, and hoping they provide consistent experiences. AI customer service agents are changing this entire dynamic. These aren't simple chatbots that give robotic responses, they're sophisticated systems that understand context, emotion, and intent. These AI agents can handle complex customer inquiries, process returns and exchanges, provide detailed product information, and even upsell customers to higher value items. They work around the clock, never get tired, never have bad days, and consistently provide excellent service that builds customer loyalty and increases lifetime value. But here's what most people miss about AI customer service. It's not just about replacing human agents, it's about gathering unprecedented insights into your customers' needs, concerns, and preferences. Every interaction generates valuable data that you can use to improve your products, refine your marketing messages, and optimize your entire customer experience. Now let's talk about the fourth area where AI is creating massive advantages: marketing and advertising optimization. Traditional advertising involves creating campaigns, monitoring performance, and making manual adjustments based on limited data. AI advertising tools are making this process both more effective and more efficient. These systems can analyze your audience in ways that humans simply cannot. They identify microsegments within your customer base, discover which messaging resonates with each group, and automatically optimize your campaigns for maximum return on investment. Instead of broad, generic campaigns that waste money on uninterested audiences, you get laser-targeted messaging that speaks directly to each customer's specific needs and desires. The predictive capabilities are where things get really powerful. AI can forecast which customers are most likely to make purchases, when they're most likely to buy, and what products they're most interested in. This allows you to time your marketing efforts perfectly and focus your budget on the prospects most likely to convert. Dynamic pricing is another area where AI is creating unfair advantages. Instead of setting static prices and hoping for the best, AI pricing tools continuously monitor market conditions, competitor pricing, demand patterns, and customer behavior to optimize your prices in real time. This ensures you're always maximizing both sales volume and profit margins. The fifth category is inventory and supply chain optimization. Running out of hot-selling products or being stuck with inventory that won't move are two of the biggest profit killers in e-commerce. AI inventory management systems solve both problems by predicting demand patterns with remarkable accuracy. These tools analyze historical sales data, seasonal trends, market conditions, and even external factors like weather patterns and social events to forecast exactly how much inventory you'll need and when you'll need it. This eliminates both stockouts that cost you sales and overstock situations that tie up your cash flow. But the integration possibilities are where AI truly shines. Instead of using isolated tools that don't communicate with each other, you can create connected systems where your product research AI feeds data to your content creation tools, which then inform your advertising systems, which connect to your customer service agents, which provide insights back to your inventory management. This creates a self-improving cycle that gets more effective over time. The setup process for most of these tools is surprisingly straightforward. Most platforms offer user-friendly interfaces designed specifically for non-technical users. You're not writing code or building complex systems, you're configuring settings, connecting accounts, and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. Here's a step-by-step approach that I recommend for beginners. Start with one tool in each category rather than trying to implement everything at once. Begin with product research because finding winning products is the foundation of everything else. Once you have that dialed in, move to content creation, then customer service, followed by advertising optimization, and finally inventory management. The key is integration and automation. As you add each tool, look for ways to connect it with the others you're already using. Most modern AI platforms offer integration capabilities that allow different systems to share data and work together seamlessly. Cost is always a concern for beginners, but here's the beautiful thing about AI tools: they typically pay for themselves quickly through increased efficiency and improved results. Many offer free tiers that provide substantial value, and even the premium versions usually cost less than hiring a single employee to handle the same tasks manually. The learning curve is much gentler than you might expect. These tools are designed for business owners, not technical experts. Most platforms provide extensive tutorials, templates, and support resources that guide you through the setup and optimization process step by step. Time investment is minimal compared to traditional methods. Setting up an AI system might take a few hours initially, but once it's running, it operates autonomously while you focus on higher-level strategy and business growth. The competitive advantage you gain is immediate and substantial. While your competitors are still doing things the old way, manually researching products, writing content by hand, responding to customers individually, and making advertising decisions based on gut feelings, you'll have AI systems working around the clock to optimize every aspect of your business. But here's the most important point I want to leave you with. The AI revolution in e-commerce isn't coming, it's already here. The entrepreneurs who are building successful stores today aren't necessarily smarter or more experienced than you. They're simply using better tools and systems. The window of opportunity is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way forever. As more people discover these tools and strategies, the competitive advantage will diminish. The time to act is now, while you can still get ahead of the curve and establish your position in the market. Your next step is simple. Pick one AI tool from the categories I've covered today and start implementing it in your business this week. Don't try to do everything at once, master one system, see the results, then expand from there. The future of e-commerce belongs to entrepreneurs who embrace AI, and that future is available to you starting today. Take action, implement these strategies, and watch your Shopify store transform into the profit-generating machine you've always wanted it to be.